In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to be able to meditate. And we're going to do it in less than 5 minutes. You'll learn where to meditate, the best posture, the right way to breathe, and we'll cover how to handle that inevitable flood of thoughts that always come up while you're meditating. By the end, you'll be as zen as a Buddhist monk. Okay, hopefully a little more zen than that guy. All right, so you ready? Let's just get started. Where to meditate. Now, you don't need to go to a monastery or find some mountaintop somewhere. You can do it anywhere. Your room, on a park bench, even in your car. However, I don't recommend meditating with your eyes closed while driving. That's a big no-no. Proper posture. Now, let's debunk one of the most popular myths about meditation. You don't need to be sitting in some weird pretzel-like pose with all your chakras aligned to be able to meditate. You don't even need to know what a chakra is. So, no weird poses needed. For your first time, I'd suggest finding a comfortable chair to sit in. Once you're seated in a comfortable position, just let your hands relax on your lap or on the armrests or wherever they feel most comfortable. Now, you can do this with your eyes open or your eyes closed. I'd suggest for the first few times to do it with your eyes closed, just until you get the hang of it. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I don't recommend lying down because you might fall asleep. How to breathe. Now, breathing correctly is probably the most important part of meditation, and it's simpler than you think. We're going to use a method called belly breathing. This technique uses your diaphragm, the big muscle under your lungs, to help you take deep breaths. By breathing from your belly, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the relaxation response, and it calms the mind and the body. It's like a cheat code to meditating deeply. So, how do you do it? Inhale deeply through your nose and let your belly expand. Imagine filling up a balloon in your stomach. Let your belly expand as you take a deep breath in. Now, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your belly contract and push the air out. The goal here is to make our belly rise and fall with each breath, keeping your chest relatively still. This creates a calming effect on your mind and your body. Now, here's a tip that my teachers had me do when I was first learning. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. As you breathe, try to keep the hand on your chest still and let the hand on your belly move with your breath. This ensures you're doing belly breathing correctly. Dealing with thoughts that pop up. Meditation isn't about having no thoughts. It's normal for them to come up. And when they do, just notice them and bring your attention back to your breath. Think of each thought as a gentle nudge, reminding you to bring your focus back to the here and now. It's this dance back and forth between noticing a thought and bringing your attention back to your breath. That's the essence of meditation. Now, this carries over into your everyday life too. Whenever you get distracted by thoughts, just refocus on what you're doing, just like how you refocus on your breath during meditation. For instance, right now I'm writing the script for the very video you're watching, and I'm constantly getting distracted by various thoughts, but I see them as a reminder to keep coming back to the writing. Meditation teaches us to keep returning to the moment over and over again, whether that's in silence or in the middle of a busy day. Practice this. It really could change your life. How long should you meditate? Here's the thing. It doesn't really matter. Meditate for as long or as short as you want. 1 minute, 20 minutes, doesn't matter. Just find what works for you. No need to overcomplicate this. If you're doubting yourself about getting this meditation thing down, or if self-doubt holds you back in other areas of your life, you should definitely check out my video on transforming self-doubt into your superpower. It really dives into making self-doubt actually work for you. And if negative thoughts seem to be taking over, then check out this video on how to break the cycle of negative thinking. It'll show you a fun, easy way to finally break yourself free from negative thinking. That could be the game changer you need. All right, so thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more tips if you haven't already. Thanks again. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.